Rolando I. Olegario Jr. His birthday is February 1, 2013, here in the Berlin, Czech Isabella. His parents is Rolando and Juliet Olegario. Ambition in life is to become a civil engineer. His mother studied first before others. Gia M. Viloria. His birthday is October 11, 2012. Address in the Berlin, Czech Isabella. His parents is Edgar and Evelyn Viloria. His ambition is to become an army and to add to others what you don't want others to unto you. Gian Viloria. Let us all stand and welcome the followers.
Lupang niliraw, tuyot ka lang mag-ibig, sa manulupin, dito masisiw, sa lahat tulog, sa simula, sa langit ko'y buwan, may nilatang mula, kawin sa pagkain minamahal, kami sa ang matawag, ko'y tanong, kailangan pinigil, ang hindi nag-araw, nakiram, ay nag-iibig,
Okay, stop it. It's not a toy.
Kindness and loving for all of us. We offer this prayer in the name of Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen.
Beautiful and loving principal and teacher, members of school board, beloved mentors, dear parents, fellow graduates, friends, good morning. Today marks a memorable day for us. Yet, for others, it may be just an ordinary day. We consider it so because just a few minutes from now, we will be receiving our long-awaited certificate symbolizing our diligence in complying with all the requirements of our elementary education. We are so glad to see our dear teachers now sacrificed along with our sake. 6 long years was never a waste. We made those innocent minds full of love and laughter, which will be our boons as we journey into the student life. Loving teachers. We are thankful for being kind and supportive during our long stay with you. Thank you for molding us in the best we can. Thank you for feeding our minds with knowledge and wisdom. We will not forget that we owe this one to you. Likewise, thank you to our dear parents for sending us to school. And to our beloved alma mater, we thank you for this wonderful time that is taken. We will be missing you a lot. We never expected that after the tantrums, the complaints, and of course the laughter, we, the grade 6 pupils, are here waiting for our turn to take about our certificates. We finished the first step, so let me take this opportunity to challenge my schoolmates who were left behind till they also come up on stage to become graduates too. We finished the first step in the ladder of education. We are now ready to venture to the next step, the secondary level. A poet once said, "To meet, to love, but to apart is the saddest tale of the human heart." Yes, it is painful to say goodbye, but we must, for the greater challenges await us. In a world beyond our alma mater, Bulwer-Fleming Adventist Elementary School Incorporated, however, we are certain that sooner or later we shall meet together again. Most of all, thank you, dear God, for all the blessings and on behalf of the project of 2025 teachers. A school, a whom we welcome you to all to our 39th recognition and closing exercise. With the team thrusting forward in a step. With open hearts, please stay long and bear with us till the end of the program, so you will know how far we have gone. Once again, welcome, welcome, welcome. Mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Naganak na magsupsuporta dagiti anak da nga eskwela lalaro dito eskwelahan tayo dito sa the Adventist school. Thank you di pa ng support you dito school tayo dito studies. I'm honored today to introduce our guest speaker. Though ang ating guest speaker ay Tubong Villacorni. Mabait sa hindi ng baba ka so. Hindi na pa makikita ko si baba ka ano. Kaya ito damagin sa ito estudyante damdama. Alright. So before anything else, I would like to extend my gratitude to all the efforts of all the teachers here in Villacorni Adventist School. May sanang mo lang na teacher na magsakit ang mok mo ka ng kahigat itagsuro. Lalo nung nagtutulpang tiyubay na. Lalo nung maditag dindungag kasi kahit mo magbaon, kahit mo magdutol, kahit mo maramigin siya ang aming nakasnay sa second nga magulang. Kaya agyaman na kinaunay, kadagiti teachers tayo, congratulations. Kahit kung tao 7, perfect number 7. Amen. Okay. Nung hindi ka kabsat at nabiti parents kanyamin, yung mga payatao mo tunay na tansaan na. Ay na, hindi na yung graduate si tayo kabsat. Kung yung tao yung dagdagin mo yun, dati 7 nga graduate tayo, dapat 14 kayo, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 lang. Ay, nung pinag-G parents tayo, doon mga kabsat. Namanan na. Okay. So, kaya tumot lang kabsat na i-welcome, naging ibisita tayo. Thank you so much for coming. Katatangal daw, kaya itong sa auditor ta, kaya ito mas engaging iti panag sa o kadagito yung estudyante. Tata, since siya iti-teacher yo, mga 30 minutes lang nag-behave kayo, damdaman nagpasan ka, taray-taray damdam, ay maday, alayin mo pa gaya nga yung medal yun, kasi kayong sabi, ayaw mo niya. So, 30 minutes lang, please behave. Okay. Ituro ka, dahil ito ikawag sa si J. Crusade, everybody, adatid lang ang aming bagay estudyante nga naka-kira ide. Everybody, let's do it. Open. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them on your lap. Take kasao Kahit ko lang magsaw kayo, natawagan kayo, nag-recite kayo, may tayo bigiging kayo, kahit ko lang magsaw kayo di nga banda, okay? Alright. So, since nag-behave na tanayunan ko ni Ma'am Juby di medalyo. Mabay na, di ba? Nag-behave ko na tanayunan ni Sir Oliver di medalyo. Kayo? Updated ko man nga yung damdama. Okay. So, iti team ni tatangal daw ay nga, tatangal graduation niyo. Trust, ito mga gamitin natin, Pastor. Okay, trusting forward in his steps. Kaya, the first na damo ko ngayon, maububing. Ay, dingin kayo Tapos,ag-recite kayo, tawagan kayo. Ipakita tayo, kayo pakita mo kasano kayo malaing, okay? Tapos tayo, kayo pakita ka, deserving kayo, okay? Alright. So, next. Hindi na kaya doon na natin anong tayo Ay, napagtutok. Ayan, okay. So, first na natanong ko kanyayo, at dahil sa mga nagbibili ba, grade 5? Grade 5 student, please put your hands on your lap. What was your experience like from grade 1 to grade 6? Ano what na-experience nyo from grade... Sino na grade 1 dito? Inga na grade 6? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Nice one. Okay. So, para na, ano what na-experience nyo? Ano na-feel nyo? Hindi grade 1 na inga na grade 6 ka lang na-enjoy nyo ka de? Did you have fun? What activity, subjects, or moments did you find the most or exciting? At dahil yung favorite subject nyo? Ano yung favorite subject nyo? Okay, let's ask the grade 6. Math. Wow. Pinaka-grade ko tayo di siya sa eskwela. Siya kayo minsan, ano yung favorite subject? Math. Okay. Medyo pagkada ta. Pagkada ta din ang part. Okay, nakagawin na. Okay, next. Yuri, ano yung favorite subject mo? Math. Oh, wow, that's great.
by bold. One, Digila. Okay, so next question. Were you able to do well in all the tasks and assignments you were given? Hindi ka na kayo ba assignment to homework you ni teacher? Away no! Kasi kasi sa ka, away na no! Sometimes, away niyo kumprahan niyo, G, balay yung agawid kayo. Ang saray-saray, umuli mangga. Kaya dahil mapanumuli, bayabas work, agay ayam. Kansay. Okay. So, majority nagibagada, no ka to, kaanda ha, so inaramig yun na saya, mama na ti grade do, dagi ti grade 6 na ta. Ang tawag na naramig yun na saya at ma'am. Okay. Were there any subjects or activities you found easy or hard? At daka diti, narigatan kayo mga subject yo. Si favorite ko na tayo, math, science. Ano ako sinarigat kanya yung mga subject? Science and math. AP, ano si AP? Araling Panditunan, Tagalog. History, okay, history. I think, ay more on English kayo, di ba? Kasi kami dati, madimi na yung mas maawagan ng Tagalog. Pero, mas madimi yung maawagan niya. More on mas maawagan ng English, okay. Yung siguro nga, pwede kaya ni Kari ay si AP kasi Tagalog. Straight Tagalog, di ba? Okay. So, kasama yung garog ngayon nga naaramid din na sayaat. Yung naligatan na yung kasama kayo kasama yung overcome, kasama yung naka-complete din na nag-study. Oh, wow! Ayun na, mo ba, no? Gian. Okay, Gian, nag-study kami so na very good. Ayun, ito grade 1 ito. Grade 1, dagaya. Magtatag na kayo, dahil ko kayo damdama. Tapos, dati pag-lista tinagan. I-teacher mo ulit, i-teacher niya. Ag-lista dahil tinagan, iti madingag dangdangag. No, madingag nagdangdangag, nakita tinagan yung listahan. Madingag ikat damdamay something. Ha? Narawakan nyo? Okay, sige. Teacher mo ulit, teacher niya, agwala yung listada. Okay, next! Next question. Kasama dahil ito yung maray. Madiwag niya pa. Okay. Sorry, okay na po. Did you think the 6 years you spent in primary were valuable? Na-enjoy yung lang ka din from grade 1 to grade 6, hindi man nag-eskwela yun? Yes! Okay, that's great. Going to sa along ba? Na-enjoy yung lang ka din from grade 1 to grade 6, hindi man nag-eskwela yun? Yes or no? Yes! That's great! Okay, very good. Yes? Kasama si Kento mamangod. Ang di ba? Madimam! Kasama mo doon, kabang set na. Okay, very good. That's great. Okay. So basta, dinamag ko kayo, iti past life or past experience ko, iti panag-eskwela yun. Damagan kayo magkakay iti sumarunod. Anya, iti plano yun. Daka pang panunod yun. Manpas kayo mag-graduate. Anya, kung si pambangunin nyo nga sumarunod aramin nyo. Again roll. Okay, nice. Again roll. Okay. Alright, it says here, have you started making plans for your high school? First, ito muna nga paungutin tayo again roll. Ito muna nga paungutin tayo. Numapang kayo again roll. Numapang kayo ka di again roll GSM? Numapang kayo again roll di Robinsons? O pag-again rollan nyo gano'n? School, okay. Nakapanungot kayo ka din sa school o pag-again rollan nyo? Ayan na to, yung pagpakanan nyo. Ay, ito tumangay. Sige ngay, Gian. Agnela Hanatan. Sige ngay. Nela, okay, majority ka dagiti. Sinong di pawag ni Gian? Agnela Hanatan. Okay, so Nela. Kaya yung kali agkakas kayo lumot ng ijay. Dahil so very good. Okay, united kayo gano'n. Alright, it is first now, simple kayo mag-enroll tayo. Of course, J school lahat magpagtuluyan tayo sa high school. I think kailangan na di ko na ba rin nga sa katagapin doon. Okay, so how do you pick a school for high school? Next! Siyempre, adayo sinelas ko ayang tayo yan. Adayo ano saan? Kaya tumalit agawid-awid? Tinagaw? But, pag-stay on the world, dormitory or apartment? Ha? Wag na kalatan. Ay, sige, apartment kayo. Okay. So, it says here, gusto mo ano, kapag namutan tayo, no, I have to iti. Pag stay yan tayo, gawin, adayo tinayin ito. Siguro, binag-eskwela di pa ka, mabalik na tayo gawid-awid na. Or, kaya tumal nga damagan dagit yung magulang. Parents, this is for you. Gamin, haanot nga makapag-decide, iti anak yo, no awan to decision para kanayo. Uray no kaya't nag-eskwela, no decision nyo, ay kahit kuman nga damagan dahil kanayo hausa. Ati parents, at dahil di plano yo, nga ituloy, iti pa nag-eskwela ni anak yo. Win mo saan? Asa medyo makatutulog si parents sa parents, lalo yung pa'y kanina ituloy, hindi talaga doon na anak yung win mo saan? Ayun, very good parents. Nagawin tupat lang ang parents sa choice, medyo makapsunda. Okay, very good. Tatan, nadamag kayo iti past experience yung kanitipla kayo. Very good. Next one. At dahayo to right from. Dapat damagin pa ulit ka ngayon. After graduation na, nadamag ko natin. What are your plans after your graduation? Next. Nakita nyo dahil toy? Sino na excited dito yung nagtrabaho? Sino na excited yung maging teacher? Sino na excited yung maging architect? Natay gaya ang nagot ko, I want to become a nurse. Sino na excited yung maging nurse? Sino na excited nga ang trabaho sa hospital? Are you sure? Baka daw naman excited nyo gawin ng mga pakay kayo. Ibagbagat ka ngayon. Dahil ko'y tatanga may experience nyo, ito iskolaan nyo. I-enjoy nyo dahil dahil no, baon na kayo teacher yung apa nag-agama, ibisamo. Enjoy nyo ang amin na kahit ko ano din. Tayo na mo, doon ka kayo i-judge ko. Nagrigat gayam, nagbalin nga nataangan. Kung ako nalaka-ide, ibagbagang ide pi sarili. Nagkaroon na ko ti kwartan, gumatang na ti cellphone ko. Nagkaroon na ko ti kwartan, gumatang na ko ti sarili nga lugan. Nagkaroon na ko ti kwartan, gumatang na ko ti ado kabado. At dasawod ko datan. Yung ti maghatang ko lang. Apple nga di mansanas, nakakangkalan. Nagrigat gaya, makamasakit ti ulo, makapaulaw, malimang mo, na daw bram. So, Ben, di ba kanya tatapay ng i-enjoy nyo, hindi pa nag-review. Abang kayo, taray-taray kayo, okay, sige. So, matatang, magat lang kanya, 30 minutes lang, damdama, magpas sa graduation, kaya ayaw mo naman. When, enjoy nyo, sige lang, okay lang. Gawin nyo mo, at dati edad yun, nakaraman ngayon, ibagalan ko, sana na-enjoy ko, in-enjoy ko lang sa itibiyag ko, idin elementary na, idin high school na. Yuri, naiintindihan mo ba? Naiintindihan mo taga Ilocano naman, no? Okay. So, ito, makita yun, nakatadong kind iti trabaho, right? So, daity nurse, daity chef, daity architect, engineer, kanda dumapay. Ada, kan mo damagin ka ngayon nung natalaga ti kayat yun. Gawin, dahi tayo bagbagayo tatta, baka mabaliwan tumanin. Nga, dahi bagbagayo tatta, I want to become a nurse. Ito na bang kayo high school, baka sabahin to. I want to become a doctor, kung kunay nag-upgrade ka nun. I want to become a teacher, kung kunay nyo to. Okay. So, it's not final yet. Pero kaya ko lang ipakita ka tayo dito. The world of jobs. Alright. So, next, abang tayo iti topic yun. Introduction ba yung gano'n ni Dai? Sorry. Okay, trusting forward in His steps. No, na kayo binaybayan niya ako, Diyos, iti experience yo from grade 1 to grade 6. Sa tingin nyo, I have a question for you. Next slide, please. Here. Do you trust God that He will guide you on your next journey? Nanagan na ditaras mo na, ano si lokal na ditarasan? Ang talag kayo umot lang kade nga, or maniniwala kayo umot lang kade nga ni Apo Diyos tulungan na kayo iti next journey yo? Yes or no? Yes. Nga wala, awan terang idin nun, nagtalag kayo lang, awan terang idin nun. At daan niya terang idin nun. Agadan. Well, may isa dyan, agadan. The next yung ngayon, mapang ngayon iti secondary. Alright. Mapang ngayon iti high school. Mantas dito, grade 7 kayo. Okay. At dahil ibagakan na yung steps, tapno, harm lang agkarkararag tayo mga yung giniapo Diyos, agkalag tayo pagnyama, at dapat tiaramidin tayo mabanbanag. Kasi dito iti kahit kung ma-share ka na yung tatakabigat. First, kahit kung magamitin ito 5 aspects tayo, pero i-connect ko na dito so 4 aspects lang. Kahit kung gamitin ito upang aspect tayo di panagbiag, physical, mental, social, and emotional, and the last one is spiritual. Okay, so first, we have two. Number 1, physically active. Okay, nabasa yun, ang gagawin active. Kaya ibig sabihin nga, active, tumanalay kayo, o ay nagpapapalan nyo na kayo dumdumog yung teacher yun, na makikita yun, dahil yung picture yung jay, kitaan nyo, adjubing mo muna na, sino nagre-ring dito yung kinasapa? Dahil ito yung graduation ni kahit kong dapat, kita nyo, si grade 1, ay, wow, very good, grade 1. Okay, sino nagre-ring kinasapa dito? Sino, di bang tutulong kinimamang kinipapa ng agluto yung pangbigat? Dadunga, okay, very good. Kasano ngayon ni Yuri? Tinutulungan mo ba si mama mo magluto ng breakfast nyo? Sometimes, okay. How about ni Kayla? Kayla, ginitaw ka mo lang ka din balayo? Ay, sometimes. Sino taga-inaw yung gano'n? Ni mama? Okay, ni mama. Sino ba ito? Ningay Adrian. Adrian kayo? Gian. Okay, Gian. Tutulungan mo lang na din ni mama? Okay. So, basta, namibigsa kayo bahay. Kaya yung bahay din lumalag to, kasiag-trump din, gawin siya ko na kayan. Naglalag to na tihaw na niya, tapos medyo maulaw na ko, basta, madiko na kayan. Pero si kayo, kaya yung bahay. So, you have to use your physical aspect. Okay, you have to be physically active. Kita nga, di ba isang estudyante dito, kayo 5, hindi teacher na. Sino nag-greet teacher na nung pagdating na dito school? Good morning, ma'am. Nagpintas ka ta. Good morning, sir. Nagwapo ka man na ta. Sino nagkakasal dyan? No, dyan ang crush yung nag-greet yun. Hi, crush. Nagpintas ka. Always, okay. No, kailangan mo nga. I-greet na kay teachers yun ha. Gawin na mo yun. May sanang mo na teacher. Ganito mag-greet na daging estudyante. Napipil ko nga, wow, special na kay daging estudyante. Feel ko nga, ay, nagsumbot mo ating maubigan. Siguro ni mama nga, susuman na dito nga nasayaan. Kapipil ko ni Kasjay. May stalo na adjubin yun. Oh my God, embrace ka niya. Feeling ko kay anak pumutlang sunan. Iso nga, gamitin church yun. Kasi mo na, i-greet kayo sudan. Gamitin nyo iti panagsaoyo, iti hindi kayo, iti saksa kayo, nga i-greet ni sudan. I-show you iti love yung kanya daw. Okay, we have to be physically active. Alright, let's go to the next level. Let's go to mental. Iti number 2, mentally focused. When ibig sabihin ko mentally focused. Sino aramid iti assignment na dinabag ko tayo. Sino aramid iti assignment na ijay balay lang nasayaan.
Inang ko.
Sino pagpatulong ni mama kang papada?
Sila.
Okay, very good. Nagkita grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, naglalaing da. Pagkaratayag dati ima da. Wow! Alright. Shock ma'am. Okay, very good. Napag-awag sa eskwelahan nyo, hanggang may paramit kinimamang yung aji assignment ko. Agpatulong kayo ng kinimama yo. Hanga ni mama itagaramid, hanga ni papa itagaramid. Why? Tayo tulog, sugdi kayo sa eskwelahan, damagin na kayo picture yo. Tapos tinanong na kayo JT assignment ko, awan na isungsungbat yo. Samto na perfect ang ibigay ano, ibagbagayo di assignment yo. So, ano kayo paarang kini mamang yu di jay assignment to di kat agpatulong kayo lang kini mamang or papang yo, why? Kasi tumot na or papang kayo di high school. Mabalin mo tawagan ni mama, mabalin mo tawagan ni papa, mabalin niyo magpatulong kini. Agijigagayo yo, hapon niyo ay paaramin assignment to kanya da. Anya? Alright. You have to be physically focused. Anya ba? Sino ito tumulong ka dagiti ka klase ka dito? No, dahil nga makabasa nga ka klase na. Sino ito tumulong nga mangbasa? Okay, sometimes yung ulit ko na ay ulit sometimes ko na nawan. No, at dagiti ka klase yung madi nga makabasa. Like for example, ano na nga mabasa, di letter A, ano na nga maibaga, ano na nga may pronounce. Mabalin mo nga ibaga kanya na lang. Ang mo ibagbaga, sagot na yan. Ang mo ibagbaga, pakataas, sagot na tayo letter A, B ata letter B. Ang mo ibagbaga, tulungan laan nga mga basa ng mga timang basa. Well, alright. Gawin, no maipagpakita yung tumutulong kayo tipada yung mga tao, ibig sabihin na stuck kayo mga tao. Yan. Okay. So, kita nyo dyan, lesson type, iso mo lagi yung obeying talaga nga active na grade 1 to grade 3 makita nga active na karataas dali yung madalatay. Okay. This is grade 5 mo nagbabayitan pa. Okay, next. Let's proceed to the next one. Number 3, we have to be socially or emotionally connected. Makita yung nagiging ubing ni Jai, makita yung digital na mga pictures ni Jai, at dahil ito makita yung agmay may isa. Awan, adam amin kadwada ya. Adi first nga ubing, duwada, tutulungan na. Adi sumaro mga picture of ubing na tumutulong ka dagiti teachers. Tutulungan nimot lang ka din ni ma'am ni or ni sir nga agdalus ijing klase yo. Wala nyo na saan? Aglang lang, pasok kayo walang ka de.
Ang uso.
Wala nyo na yun, tas made. Agmalwalis kayo walang ka de. Tutulungan nyo walang ka din ni ma'am ni sir agpungas kitawa. How about Aji aglinis ni CR? Aggar-garden kayo pa lang ba dito ma'am? Amo yun, kasi kami sa Jordan, agagadan kami, gigindabyot kami, magigindabyot na yun. Kasi kami ito, garden kami tanay, ito, awang pa, hindi kasta, puro garden hindi ata, pamugabyunan, awang nagpudo. Si Kalagata mo, di yung sakay mo, pudo talan niya. Okay, very good. Kita niyo po, di sumaro mo, aji kadakpilan na picture. Kita niyo, sinulong da. Sabihin nyo, nakakita kayo ka dito, gina pa yung pictures? Awan, sino di kayo kayo makiapat to? Makakanag tinagan, hindi ko ma'am, apay kaya apay magpaga kayo, dati kayo kayo na makiapat to? Hindi kayo kayo na makiapat, hindi mangyari kanya na, nasaya, day mo saan? Saan? O, kita nyo, di makiap-apay dyan, at tinulong daw amin. Kasi kung nagtatay, tutubol-tulong kayo tipadang na tao, nakasano karagsak yung tulong ng mga tao, mas naragragsak ka pa. When saan? Naragragsak ka pa yung tumultulong niya. No kasano ka, natulungan ni ma'am, ni Sir Grinis, iti classroom, no kasano karagsak ni ma'am, natutulungan, mas naragragsak na pa yung tumultulong. Maging proud ka ito pa, namagawit ka, Mama, tinulungan ni mo na nagdalos. Mama, nagkuskus na ka disiyar. Nag-wipe na kita window. Nag-mop na. Tinulungan ni Mama may dikade. Tapos ni Mama tumutino ba, ay, very good, anak ko. Naglaing ka ka talaga. And then, anak ko dahil ka. Diba, nag-proud mo ka ni Mama tayo, minipamang tayo? Where mo saan? Okay. And the last one. Ato yung pinaka-importante for all those 5 aspects. Ato yung pinaka-importante. We have to be spiritually committed. Nung makita yung gijay pictures ni Jai. At dahil di makita yung nga tumanagari, nga taray-taray, nga agitin nuldeng, agitin nuktok, at da makikita yung? Awan niya, nagsusungkot da. Nung agi kadakkilan niya picture, ano di makikita yung? At karararaguan. Haan tayo nga maabot ang aming or arapat ang aming nga kaya tayo di panagdan tayo. No, awan ni Apo Diyos, hindi pa Nawatan nyo? Doon kayo magkarkararag. Noy, baon na kayo yung teacher yung nga, kayo kanta no Sabado. Sino ti kayo nagkangkanta toy? Ne, agi man grade 1 to grade 3, hindi tayo gan, nagtalent talaga nalibtak na dagito ya. Okay, tumamayag dati yung madam. Agkangkanta yung matang di Sabado? Very good. Noy, baon na kayo ni ma'am yung agkanta di Sabado. Kayo agkanta, ano magbaga ka? Syakmanan di Sabadon, syakman datang. Kasi kaya naman, di sumano mo umat. Katungay di talent mo agkanta. Nya. Uwan. Iso nga, ito naman minsan, nagbaga ka na yun ni Ma'am Sharon, ni Ma'am Juby, or ni Sir Oliver, na agkararag ka ng Sabado, agkanta ko ng Sabado. Dapat naka-ismal kayo. Yes, Ma'am, kaya't ko, agkanta kaya't ko, agkararag ka ng syakmanan. Kaya't Ma'am, madinak ko kayo ng Sabado, akang kami ko si Bakakal. Ma'am, madig kaya, akang kami ko si Rawin sa Sabado. Si Dayward. Ibaga kayo, Ma'am, kayat ko, sir, kayat ko, agkararag ng agkatana. Tayo ang aming aspeto, iti pinaka-importante, that's yung spiritual life tayo. Very good. Okay, so these are the 4 steps. Aramidin tayo, tatlo, itutuloy na abudus niya, gagabayan na tayo. Okay, next slide. Nakita yung ang aming dagita? Ano dagita? Okay, for the rebound, black ginawita, part sinalata, the titoga, diploma, king medals. Sino iti kahit na makaalat ti gold medal dito? Hoy, nagado kayo nagado kayo ni first power dito. Wow, nagado kayo, mabalin mo gawin kayo maging first honor. Sino iti kahit natin makaalat ti silver? Sino iti kahit na makaalat ti bronze? Uy, awan na. Naglalay na talaga ng estudyante. Very good. Okay. Nagngaro talaga si pangarap nyo. Kahit ko lang, Juneda. Gusto ko, damdaman din ata yung bronze. Nagarot nga yun. Okay lang. Okay. Very good. Okay lang. It's better than nothing. Alright. So, nung makita nyo, Ajin, 1, 2, 3 na pictures. At na, Ajin, may kaupat. Agpre-pre, agkarkararan. Haan tayo nga makamit ang aming dagito. Haan tayo nga maala aming dagito na talo nga banbangat. No, haan tayo nga nagkararan. No, awan ni Apo Diyos di panagyan tayo. Kaya kuman nga, i-connect ato yung Bible verse. Masarakan ni Jay, Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Sino makaamod dyan? Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Trust. Trust yung mga ng word ay. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Okay, kaya kuman ni lagi mo balo? Okay, takdal ka man, tayo recite mo man. Basta sige din ang mga kung maka-recite ka. One balo. Sige. Aman, kaya mata. Ano dito na patay? Madi kayo nga sa ibang bagangan. Okay, kaya mata. Uray na si bagam. Kaya.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean to your own understanding. Acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path.
Okay, very good! Nice one! Isunamot lang ka, kala-recite, i-recite today. Kung namin madimig ka, nag-adventism ng mali. Siyak ma! Manamot tan! Siyak! Okay. Wali pa yung wali ka mga kamang ayaw mo po gaya ng ikaw. Kung ako naman ako, nagday mga dinubingan, kung ako mo nikap, pamangkin nikap pa yun ay baga. Ako mo nagaya. Okay, so everybody let us all read together. 1, 2, 3, go! Trust in the Lord with all thy heart and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy path. Daon lang ito Ilocano version natin, at mas mawalan tayo ng sayaat. Kung ano ito, basahin tayo mo ta. Agtalet ka, ken ninyo ba, iti amin ang puso, ket di ka agtalged, iti pampan nakaawat mo metlaen. Kadagiti amin adalan mo, iso iti bigbigen, ket iso iti iturungan to dagiti desdes mo. Okay? Iti amin kanungaramidin tayo, dumawat tayo iti guidance tinamo Diyos word. Ket iti sumbat tayo kadagiti nga verse. Next. Yes, Lord, I trust in you. Everybody, let's say it all together. Yes, Lord, I trust in you. At talaga ken ka o ako. Okay, next. Tandaan mo magpasan. Tata, aday the last na question ko. Are you prepared to step into your next journey? Nakasagala ka di kayo nga umadang iti next nga adang iti panagbiagyo. When no saan? Wow! Very good kids. Nice one. Okay. That was a loud response. One more time. Are you prepared to step on your next journey? Yes or no? Yes! Okay, very good. Sabay ko man sa amuyo ang aming kabrahin na. Katata, in advance, I want to welcome you to your next level, which is welcome to the 7th grade in advance. Okay? I-welcome ko kayo into the next year, school year, grade 7 kayo. Amok ka mo yung itong arawin nyo. Babae, iti guidance, iti magulang yung kani Apo Diyos. Well, ano ko mga lipatan dahil ko, don't forget to, again, don't forget to, and don't forget the verse, which is found in Proverbs 3, verse 5 to 6. Okay. Next. Kaya ko man lang nga, ibaga ang ayaw isilin na itimay sa kakanta, which is trust and obey. Kaya ko kayo quote lang ito. Ang amin, basahin tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Ang talik-tay, nat isa ken kwarna. Ket bitay, lip-lipatan, dagiti sarili. Okay? Ang talik-tayo lang ang ginagawa Diyos, what? Ang lip-lipatan, dagiti promises siya. Ito no next, sa graduation nyo, into high school kayo, senior high school, at kikita tayong naman. Makita ko ni Gian, ni Winslet, ni Yuri, ni... Kahit kung ay bagang amin na rin nyo, mamaya malikap mo. Ano na? Kahit kung makita kayong nag-ragsak kayong tupay, well, dagita nga isi-smile na ta. Next time na makita kayong mag-graduate, mas nadakdak kayo pa isi-smile nyo. What? Okay? Alright. So, congratulations and God bless you.
You were loving and wonderful to us. He had cared for us during the 6 years that you were here at Weekend. As I was listening to your message, Mami and World Deacon, I do believe success will be ours because we will remember our every moment, trusting forward in this step. Thank you so much for that wonderful message. Please accept our heartfelt gratitude through this certificate of appreciation.
The Hermin Adventist Elementary School Incorporated, the school that leads to Jesus. Certificate of appreciation is given to Ms. Lian Pearl D. Tipon in grateful acknowledgement for his distinguished and invaluable service as guest speaker during the 39th recognition and closing exercises with the theme Trusting Forward in His Steps. Given this 15th day of April 2025. Signed by Ma'am Jubilee Doroni, School Head, Stephanie Natividad, President, Home and School Association, Pastor Michael Doroni, District Pastor, Southern Isabela, and School Board Chairman. Thank you, Ma'am Lian.
In behalf of the School, sir, we
are here to present to you the 7 candidates for graduation who satisfactorily completed the curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. They are now ready for your confirmation.
By the virtue bestowed upon me by Northeast Luzon Mission as the district pastor of Southeastern Isabela and the area chairman of Area 6. I have now the honor to confirm new graduates batch 2024-2025. Congratulations.
Gabriel de la Cruz.
Thinking back on all the times we have let you down, it would be no surprise if you were at this service alone. Yet you are still here shedding tears as we take this next step in our life, encouraging us to excel and move forward. Your sacrifices, faithful prayers, patience gave us the stepping stone to reach our goal. Thank you for guiding us and training us and shaping us in the way that we can go. Your seeds of encouragement have already begun, have planted and have already begun to grow. Thank you for your consistent faithfulness to us. You have been key players in our revelation of the love of our Heavenly Father. Through you, He has given us a taste of His love for us. Through us, He has shown you a fraction of His remarkable love for us. In everything He does, He has a plan, and His purpose does not fail. As we close this door and open another, we want to thank you for your sacrifices, discipline, and love. These roses are a symbol of our gratitude for you. Your prayers, presence in our life have changed us. Thank you.
Ito yung panagita dati token, dagiti graduate kadagiti naganakda. And so, the chance yung thank you kanila kadagiti naganakyo. Babayin si panagitid kadagiti token, kadagiti parents yung.
Bago nakagtao kapagdad, mag-review. Pag-review ng mga estudyante natin, kahit 1 minute lang sila, a word of thanks or anything that you want to say to your parents. Okay? Bago nag-start. Makan pa lang sa
Kaya ko lang ang tingin ko natin ito ng Marjana kanya. Ay, ay, mama ko. Ni Papa, ito dalawa ni Mama. Ganun ako kanya, nanay, ni Ate.
okay, sino sumara mo? Oh, Cheryl. Ah?
Mama, thank you. Kalalagaan na love you.
Wala ka pa mga kamay. Okay, next po. Siyan. Si ano? Roldan. Sige, balon. 1 or 2 words. Ha? Okay, Rolando.
Ini adalah ni macam mana? Thank you naman pero may kanamada yung masing natuloy nga ay ayaw na nagatang na siya. Thank you, Ate. I love you.
Okay, next. Uy. Okay, Gian. Ano ba yung thank you lang ko? Okay. Sige lang yung ring. Wala na ayaw ko niya.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for taking care of me. Even though I'm a little Thank you for the food you cook for me.
And good morning. 27 years ago, I was here. I delivered my address also, just like you, wearing white gown and white cap. And I never thought that 27 years from then, I will be standing in the same place, now as a parent of a graduate. And one thing is for sure, I'm getting old. Now I am feeling for sure what my parents must have felt then, walking me on that aisle. The baby. Sorry ka ba?
Dear teachers, fellow graduates, visitors, and friends, good morning. Thank you for the opportunity you have given to me to speak before you pay tribute to our dear teachers, Mrs. Jubil Dorami, Mrs. Shabi Rosate, Mr. Oliver Alcanas, and Pastor Mark. First of all, I thank God and my parents for giving this time. Because of them, I'm here in front of you this morning. Secondly, I'm extending my everlasting thanks to my teachers who, through their guidance, supervision, kindness, patience, have molded us to good people. Fellow graduates, let us join our heart and pray to God so that our dear teachers will stay longer in their works, so they are the molders of the future generation. Teachers, I thank you.
Finally, here we are, overwhelmed with gratitude and exceeding joy for having reached this far in our journey towards education. Our hearts can't contain mixed emotions. We've just received the proof of our stay in this dear Christian school. Certainly, we're ready to face the challenges ahead with God's grace. It can't be denied that VIFA-S indeed had played a great role in the molding of our characters and equipping us with priceless knowledge to keep pace with the demands in education. With this, we owe VIFA-S a great deal, and we will remain indebted. In deep appreciation, therefore, to VIFA-S for what has done for us, we are presenting to the school treasurer, Ma'am Carol Yabres, our humble class gift, Akal SSN. That collection will be used during our school recess, recreation, lunchtime, and even during Sabbath quarter. Hope that this will be used properly and dealt with tender, loving care of the benefit of those who are following us for the glory of God is the innermost desire of batch 2024-2025.
Good morning all. As minsan ang representative school board ng VIFA-S o Villa Fermin Adventist Elementary School Incorporated, I hereby accept this gift from the graduating class and their parents. Now, I would like to express my thanks to all the graduates. Kung nakikita niyo itong, may isa na doon, sample yung nandun. Pero alam nyo, alam ko yun, hindi pa rin, kung kailangan ma-accommodate yung dalawa na ganito. Kaya, siguro kailangan pa natin yung dalawa na dagdag. Baka meron po sa inyo na gusto kong mag-donate para madagdagan ko yun. Thank you very much, the great class.
Incorporated, 2024-2025, I humbly cherish the spirit of responsibility.
Ito yung content ng ating certificate. This certifies that young men has satisfactorily completed division ng Isabela, Villa Fermin Adventist Elementary School Incorporated, Villa Fermin, Itiaga, Isabela. This certifies that
has satisfactorily completed the requirements for elementary school as prescribed by the Department of Education and is therefore awarded this sign in Villa Fermin, Chaga, Isabela, Philippines on the 5th day of April 2025. Signed, Ma'am Jubilee C. Duroni Suled, Mario R. Palaya, President, NELEM, Josephine A. Ines, Education Superintendent, NELEM. This certifies that Roldan Jem Lester C. Anchela. Next, Yoni Abril O. De la Cruz.
Salamat. Kasi kami.
Gian D. Fernandez. galit ka.